Frederick Memorial Healthcare System is based in Western Maryland in Frederick. We deliver a variety of services to the community that we serve, focused around the hospital, our cancer treatment centre, a variety of ambulatory services that we give, and also our home health and hospice organisation. The home health is organisation is a strategic part of how we focus the continuum of care for our patients. So making sure that as a patient transitions from, let's say for example, our emergency room to an inpatient setting to a discharge, it's important that we have a continuum of care post-discharge from the hospital so that we can visit that patient in their home and ensure they're getting the quality care that they need.
As a staff physical therapist for home health, I visit patients in their homes, and I have to document my visit, which is a very important part of my care for the patient. While my one-on-one care is important, the documentation is as important, because if we didn't document it, then it didn't happen.
In the past, our home health care providers, would have pen and paper. They'd be going out to the community, documenting the care they would give to the patients. So historically, we didn't have a good mechanism to get a continuous view and a consistent view of the quality of care we're giving to our patients in the home health setting.
When we started looking for new technology, there were several requirements that the device had to meet. Number one, it had to be durable. It had to withstand the rigors of being carried in bags and schlepped on shoulders and taken in patients' houses and in and out of cars all day. They had to have a small footprint. They had to be lightweight. We also wanted the touchscreen, because the software that we use has a lot of selection menus. And one of the big things that we were trying to do with the technology was give clinicians access to patient data when they needed it, to stay on the road longer, be more productive, and give better quality patient care.
We looked at a variety of different vendors. When we looked at the connectivity problem, especially in a mountainous region like Frederick County, we ended up looking at the Panasonic T-Series and partnering with Verizon Wireless and their mobile broadband built-in technology. We went around the state, we looked at coverage maps and how we could use, partnering with Verizon Wireless, this kind of connectivity model and stable connection back to the hospital, so that our home health care providers in the home setting would be able to connect back.
The Verizon Wireless service that we have around here is very good. That's one of the reasons we chose to go with the embedded broadband, is because we could marry the Verizon Wireless with the Panasonic Toughbook and allow clinicians access to patient data from wherever they are in the county. As long as they have a cell signal, they have a connection.
The Toughbook with the Verizon Wireless mobile broadband is an incredibly important tool that I have with me. I can pull over on a side street or in a parking lot, and I can use my Verizon mobile broadband and log on to the system. It allows me to access patients' data while I'm at the point of care. I travel all over the Frederick area and the outskirts of Frederick, and I don't have any trouble connecting to the system. It's very easy and quick, which is very important to the patient's safety.
Frederick Memorial Healthcare System has recently been honoured with being awarded HIMSS Stage 6 for EMR adoption. This puts us at one of the top 1% of hospitals for electronic medical record adoption nationwide, which is a wonderful credit to both the hospital, its focus on technology, and the IS department. The solution deployed with Verizon Wireless and Panasonic was certainly a large portion in terms of getting us that accreditation. The ability to collect standard information in the field is vital. You're going to have to focus on a solution that gives you a solid hardware platform, a reliable connectivity back to your home health agency where you can collect and assemble that information. And the solution with Panasonic and Verizon Wireless, for us, was that answer.